So I call this trick your card, not mine. So let's begin. Let's do this trick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first have him choose a card out. He chooses it. I like him to show the camera. Make sure you get a good look at it. All right. So then what I'll do is I'll just say, go ahead and I'll take your card. We're just gonna lose that right in the deck like this. So we're gonna give it a couple cuts. And his card, I'll say, I think I know where your card is. It's that one right there.
Nope.
He says no. Was that it?
No.
What? I'm doing terrible. What was your card?
7 of hearts.
7 of hearts. Well, actually, let's try this. Let's try something really special here. So SEVENOFHEARTS, and that should be his card.
Nope.
That's not it. Well, I'll tell you what. This is your card, right? So here's what we're gonna do. Why don't you spell it out? Because I think it connects to you. So you do it, and I think it should actually work.
SEVENOFHEART.
I think I did it on the last one, so that should be it right there.
Wow.
When performing this trick, I like to start by having them choose the card. That's the most important part. So he shows the camera. Then what I do is I just say, I'll take the card back, and I go ahead and I'm gonna insert the card. And as I do, I catch a break. I push it in so I can catch a break right above his card, I'm sorry. So I'll give it a couple cuts and control his card to the top. There are many other YouTube videos on the internet that teach you how to do that move right there. Now what I'll do next is I will say, now I think I know where your card is at. And I cut 2 random cards in the deck, which obviously are not his card. It makes it look as if I messed up, which is actually the point right here. So what I'll do then, I'll say, gee, I can't find your card. What was it?
The 10 of diamonds.
So the 10 of diamonds. And remember, we controlled his card to the top, so it's right there. So 10 of diamonds. I'm just going to go for it. I'm going to spell it right out. TENOFDIAMOND. And the last one, I flip it over. That's not it. Now, obviously, you will need to know how to spell for this trick. Yep, okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have him do it then. Because remember, we put his card on the bottom of the pile when we counted that out, because his went down first. So now whenever he spells it out, it comes right up. As soon as he spells that out.
TENOFDIAMOND.
That should be it.
S.
There you go, that's how you do the trick.